Here's my grill. Here's my ribs, nicely seasoned. Had them sitting in season overnight. About to throw them in the smoker in just a second. It's a little hard to do this and videotape, but I'm gonna put the ribs on. Put them in one to a shelf. One to a shelf. Oh, can't see. One to a shelf. I don't know if y'all could see that, but yeah, they're in there. Oh, and she got some tips. I'm just gonna throw those on the shelf with the ribs. Yeah. These tips. Yeah, I only got 3 shelves, so after I do those, I'll come back and get the last one. Here's my smoker set up all ready to go. About to smoke some ribs. I'm not going to completely smoke them like I did the last time for 12 hours. Just going to smoke them about 4 or 5 hours and then finish them off on the grill. It's good and going now. Wish y'all can actually smell the aroma. Ooh-wee. Okay, just to let y'all know, got the smoker going. Gonna smoke these ribs about 4 to 5 hours. It's gonna get no higher than about between 150 to 200 degrees in there. Smoke them so you get the flavor. And today I'm smoking them with a premium blend of apple, hickory, and oak wood chips. Hey, let's have a look after 3 hours what we look like. Can you see it? Let me pull one of them. Let me get my glove and pull one of them out so you can see. Oh. Look at that there. Gorgeous. Another hour and a half or so, then we finish it off on the grill. Been cooking jerk chicken on the grill. I just put some more charcoal on it, but I want to show y'all this little handy dandy called a Grill Daddy. I love this thing so much, I just bought 3 more of them. See how the grill looks from the chicken? You just
oh shit.
smoked up a stone. Taking them out and putting it on the grill now.
All right. You see Big Papa Sean handling the BI, baby. Oh, yeah. That looks nice. Ooh.
Damn rib tips.
It's a damn rib tips. Oh, yeah. Wow. Did he just wish you a happy Father's Day?
Huh?
Said, did he just wish you a happy Father's Day?
Yeah, whatever.
Well, damn, how much rib tips you got on there? Shit.
Well, them slabs was kind of big, as you can see.
Oh, okay.
Smoked.
All right, I'll see y'all. That's how we getting down, baby. Oh, yeah. Nice.
Follow me over to the grill. Ah.
All right, let's get it, baby. Let's get it. So you putting on it?
Yeah, I gotta get my special sauce.
Oh, let me see what's going on there. What's
Keep it nice and moist.
I hear you. Ah. So putting a secret sauce on that, baby. There you go. So Big Daddy Sean ain't playing, baby.
Let me put these tips on there. I'm about to eat these damn tips my damn self.
What kind of marinade is that? What kind of sauce is that right there?
Huh?
What kind of sauce is that? Is it regular barbecue or that's your
That's not barbecue sauce. That's something my sister made up to keep the ribs nice and juicy.
Okay.
Oh, shit.
I hate that. So one rib tip has gone to the heavens.
These tips will be done in a second. See, when you put it on, you don't put it right on direct heat. This side of the grill is direct heat. Over there, it's like a cool section. Just want to put it over there for now.
Okay.
And in a minute, I'm gonna put those. I'm gonna cover them up because I'm gonna put those on the other grill. I just gotta change the charcoal on it.
All right, let's go, grill master. See, you learn a lot just standing around, just not bullshitting.
Alrighty.